Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 9th Subject History.
Dear students, in the last class we studied about the outbreak of the French Revolution and how France became a constitutional monarchy and also various symbols used by them. Today we are going to see how France abolishes monarchy and become a republic, and also we are going to see about reign of terror and direct rule of France. France now abolished the monarchy and turns into republic. King Louis XVI entered into a secret agreement with the King of Prussia. Why he entered a secret agreement with the King of Prussia? Because the Prussian and Austrian kings are worried against the development which are happening in the neighboring states of France. So, with their support, he want to recapture the political power into his hand. Getting the knowledge of this parliament, the National Assembly of France voted in summer 1792 to fight a war against Prussia and Austria. Why they decided to fight a war? Because the king is secretly getting support from the Prussian and Austrians. Here, the people transiting to the war from the provinces, from village to village, from every corner of the country. Why did the people run like that to join in the war? Here they started to feel it is as their basic concern to save their nation. It is their own nation and it is considered a war between the kingship and all the common people. And the people are coming from every corner of France, even in a far off villages. We have people coming forward and join in the war. So now when men are in the task of war, they always sung a song which was written by Roget, known as Marseillais. Became very famous because it was the first sung in the Bastille prison momentum, where people gathered and started singing the song and moving ahead. So later today, now Marseillais is a national anthem of France. So Marseillais has been a motivating song for many millions of people in France. So now men ready to join the war, women are left off with the task of taking care of the families and has to look after the daily works and look after the children. At present, the people dissatisfied with the ruler of France, Louis XVI, so they started to discuss these issues by forming certain clubs. This club is known as Jacobin Club. Then Jacobin clubs are very famous at the point of time. Why people are dissatisfied even with the constitutional setup at the time? People are dissatisfied with the constitutional setup because there is no true voting right given to the people. Yes, king was brought under the bracket of constitutional power, but in practically only the rich people who come under the category of high taxpayers only are eligible to vote. Which means maybe only 10% of the people of France truly to vote. The rest of 90% are left out. They have no right to vote. This is very pathetic situation for the people of France. This is the reason people continue to be in the wars and discuss their issues actively in the Jacobin clubs. It is not only the point of view of the men, many of women also actively participated and discussed the social and political happenings in the nation. Everything has been discussed thoroughly, and many of the people of the Jacobin clubs decided to put long striped trousers to mark as an end of knee breeches rule. The long striped trouser people are also known as sans-culottes. And here it is very clear for us that the rule of the noble, the rule of rich, the rule of the clergy, the rule of kingship has to come to an end, and a common man's rule has to flourish. This was a main aim of the discussion of the Jacobin clubs. Now as the rule of the monarchy was fluctuating in France, the Jacobin clubs became a widespread movement. The people are completely dissatisfied with the rule of existing system of constitutional monarchy. That's why Jacobins themselves dressed in the knee breeches, and they also put on red cape as a symbol of liberty for them, as a symbol of freedom for them. But actual time they do not have this all in real, because the king was still doing some secret agreement with them. That's the reason why the war began Now after that in 1792, the Jacobean decided to take severe protest against the shortage of the food supplies for people. So 10th August 1792, the palace of Tuileries was stormed. This is an actual palace where the king resides and kept king as a hostage. This was a fantastic step taken by the people under the influence of Jacobin clubs, and they also decided that the king would be kept in hostage. And when the voting happened, they decided to kill the king as per the rules, because the king was being kept under the action of president of the kingdom, where he acted very unlawfully towards them and very problematic to them. So they later decided to remodify all the laws. The special convention which came into power at the end, the kingship rule. Now monarchy came to an end legally in France. So now they got the establishment of republic government in France. In the republic government, first step is taken that every individual who is aged above 21 years, irrespective of his economical status, will get the right to vote. That is made clear by the convention which came to power in September 1792. As already I told now, the king was massacred, the Queen Mary Antoinette was also massacred. So now the power came into Jacobin club. Its leader was Robespierre. The period from 1793 to 94 is referred as the Reign of Terror. Why it was called as Reign of Terror? Because and whom he saw as being enemies of the republic, ex-nobles and clergy, members of other political persons, even members of his own party who did not agree with his method were arrested, imprisoned and then tried to be revolutionary tribunal. If the court found them as guilty, immediately they would be sent to guillotine. What do you mean by guillotine? It is the name of a machine which was designed by Dr. Guillotine. It is fold machine which has one blade which behead the person's head from his body, which name literally killing a person using a machine. He also brought certain major changes like sealing the wages and prices of the products. He brought all the wages on a streamlined procedures and brought them at a single cap. Everybody must pay a certain amount of wages for the workers, and the market prices will not increase as per the within the market. That will be dictated by the government. So market prices are maintained at the reasonable at the reachable cost of the common people. It was fantastic step taken by the Robespierre. Later, he also want to bring utmost equality. Completely he want to eradicate the discrimination of madam and sir. He want all of them to have the citizenship right irrespective of any discrimination. At that point of time in France, his policies are extremely very well and very good, which are welcomed and well connected to the poor people very well. If you talk anything against the views of Robespierre, you will be imprisoned and guillotined. This severity made his own supporters to feel that we need modernization, we need to be little bit soft. Finally, he was convicted by court in July 1794, arrested, and on the next day sent to guillotine. Next we are going to see about a directory rules of France. They have dropped a new constitution. They have brought new changes in the existing constitution, that is the voting rights were denied to the non-property people, which means only the rich and privileged people who can own some properties, who are paying certain amount as tax only are eligible, which actually was contradictory as per the law made by the Jacobians. It changes the constitution and later they have elected council. So the elected council decided that we would not have any one person's rule. Again, like that we have experience in the Robespierre case. So they decided to have two branches, that is elected council, in that they will have directory group and executive group. In each group will have again 5 representatives, not at all In one person's hand, they will have 5 representatives, and most of the time the directory and the executives were always in class with each other. They will always fight with each other. They never used to agree or go hand in hand with each other. They always used to take opposite side and used to fight. This created a lot of political instability in the country. And this political instability paved the way for the rise of a military dictator, Napoleon Bonaparte. From the Republican state, it became into a directory rule, and finally it moves back to the situation of military rule. Though it came back to the same old system of ruling, the ideals of liberty, fraternity, and equality principles did not leave inspiring the peoples in various parts of Europe and all over the globe. Whatever I am teaching, definitely you have to study and write in social notebook. Don't forget. Thank you, students.